provide a protective interface between the external environment and individual tissues, providing protection from ultraviolet radiation, dehydration, infection, pathogens, mechanical and chemical hazards. Many people want strong and healthy hair, especially as they grow older. The things that affect how quickly it grows include age, health, genetic, and diet. Hair loss can actually result from eating a nutrient-deficient diet. In order to maintain good hair and skin, we must consume a balanced diet that contains nutrients like vitamin, protein, carbs, fats, minerals, etc. Role of nutrition in skin and hair health. The maintenance of good skin and hair growth is significantly influenced by nutritional conditions. To maintain the protective function of skin and hair in the midst of daily challenges, micronutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fats, and micronutrients like vitamin, iron, and nutritionally needed mineral must be combined. Our bodies will work better when we consume the recommended amount of vitamins and minerals each day. For expect moisturized skin and glossy hair. Hence, a healthy diet plays a significant role in having good skin and hair. Some most common essential nutrients. Vitamins. The most important vitamins which are essential for our skin and hair. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble micronutrient necessary for the growth of healthy hair and skin. Vitamin B complexes. The 8 vitamin B are necessary for nearly every processes within the body. They are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, folic acid, cobalamin. B vitamin offer a myriad of hair and skin health benefits. Vitamin C. It is the most beneficial nutrient for strengthening and promoting healthy skin and hair growth. Free radicals caused by sun exposure destroy the collagen and elastin fiber that supports skin structure and give it firmness and lightness. The result includes several hair-related tissues that have an impact on hair development. May have a root cause low vitamin C intake. The skin and hair of those who consume large amount of vitamin C are strong and healthy. Vitamin E. Among lipid-soluble antioxidants, vitamin E is regarded as being the most significant in tissues. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that helps reduce the harm caused by carcinogens and sun exposure. Proteins. Proteins, a healing factor, gives our skin strength, structure, stability, and brightness. The 3 proteins that makes up the majority of our bodies, these include collagen, keratin, and elastin, which often serve a common mechanical function in structural support of cell and tissue. While elastin help hair follicles stay anchored and impart integrity to the hair, also it provides recoil and elasticity to the skin. Keratin as well as help our skin and keep our hair healthy. Iron. For both skin and hair, iron help optimize their health through its participation in supplying oxygen for cell and tissue repair. Therefore, when iron level of our body are optimal, our skin and hair may appear weak. The skin may be pale and dull. The hair may be brittle and dull. Therefore, having adequate in our body should be combined with good skin and hair care regimen. The idea of a healthy body requires a lot of effort, discipline, and most importantly, a balanced diet. A balanced diet not just fulfill the internal needs of the body, it also keeps the exterior healthy and nourished. As per experts, the exposed body Body parts including hair and skin call for extra care and that can be fulfilled by cosmetics. The solution lies in healthy food habits which are rich in vitamins, proteins, minerals and other essential nutrients. Some best food sources which are rich in nutrients are eggs, avocados, oily fish, nuts and seeds, oats, berries and citrus, dark chocolate, dark green like kale, Spanish, broccoli, dark chocolate, green tea, grapes, green vegetables. Conclusion. Skin and hair aging occur simultaneously with human aging. Our skin and hair health, however, can be impacted by a variety of environmental, physiological and lifestyle variables. Lack of certain nutrients prevent proper growth and maintain an exacerbate damage to our skin and hair. A balanced diet rich essential vitamins and antioxidants and minerals may enhance the body's defenses and improve appearance of our skin and hair from the inside out. Thank you.
Thank you.